How's it going, YouTube? This is the Traxxas Rustler with the Hobby Park tires on it. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. But I'm doing an unboxing of the HRB batteries. So this one I already cracked the seal. Get it out quicker. Okay, got it out the box. Hard case, 2S, 7.4, 6,000 milliamp, and it has a 60C to 100C burst. So I got two batteries for $66 on Amazon. Seen a few people using them, so got two 2S's. Can run 2S or run 4S. However, we go ahead and crack that package. Okay, I did get the Traxxas connectors since I run the not parallel, but a series. Anyway, this is the battery. Go ahead and test these out. Probably get a speed run with these. This is the most C's I ever had, I believe, was 40C, so 60C to 100C. Should get some kick out of it. And I have the tester right here. Could test it for you guys. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, so these batteries is basically, I needed some new ones, so I figured these would be better. 60C to 100C discharge. 6,000 milliamp. Should have a good run time with those. And we'll see. We'll keep you guys up to date on that. Yeah, this is the count, right? As of right now, at the box. So we just got two cells. One is lower than the other, but we'll charge it up and balance charge it and get it right. So if you have these batteries, do let me know what you guys think about them, and I definitely will let you know what I think about them. And we'll see. It's two of them, so I will be running them 4 series or 2 series. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Do let me know what you think about the Rustler, and thank you guys for watching. Just to show that these batteries do fit in the Rustler, the 6,000 milliamp 2S, which is not bad. Tight squeeze, but it fit. So let me get it out of there. See, it's not bad at all. Tight fit, perfect. So we'll try it out either in the Rustler or we'll go 4S and the T-Max.